Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So my struggle with my broker continues as they have incorrect data in the chart again. So you can see here, according to GT24 is my broker, they say that the DAX closed down here, which is absolutely rubbish because it actually closed up here. So these two red lines is the open and the close. So basically we have a red pin bar shooting star, hanging man, whatever you want to call it, but essentially there's a gap up and then no continuation. Sellers came into control. Okay, so I think there's a couple of things that we need to pay attention to. The first one is that that's pretty close to the target, so I would say that this move is transpired. Then the next thing that we need to pay attention to is what is happening at the moment. So we've had a pin bar, we've then had continuation and a retest the break of the pin bar. Okay, so I'd like to see us tag a level. We can basically look at that level there, which is fairly close to the gap. So ideally I'd like to see us come back, close this daily gap, and then continue on our journey. But we're not entirely convinced that that's the case at the moment. There's a lot going on right now. So there is our trend line, and then here is our deviation from the trend line. So basically we're talking about a parabolic curve here. Okay. So yeah, I'm not really looking for longs at the moment. I do want to see a decent pullback, and when I see the pullback, then the opportunity to get long. For now, I think there's a 50-50 chance of something happening. So we can't pay attention to these oscillators because that's influenced by this incorrect closing price here. But what we can pay attention to is this. Okay, so pretty much the logic is as follows. We've moved that way, even though it's a gap, it's a move up. We're now consolidating. So the next step I would like to see is a break and then a continuation to the upside. Okay, and if I just come to the dailies, I want to see what that actually gives us. It doesn't line up exactly. Gap. So it does line up with a bit of a gap here. And there's my previous swing low. Okay, so that's the one move. I'll give you those levels now. Just get down to the half hour for that. So what we're saying is that this is a wedge. We're looking for a wedge break. I don't have a fractal to look at, but so long as I can't even say that. We'll look on the 15 or the 12. I think maybe there'll be something there. Okay. So if we do break below 12.510, 12.510, then I would say better off. We need to look at another entry down here at the gap close. But if 12.510 holds, so in other words, what I want to see is this little rally. I want to see a bit of a bounce back to come and test the wedge break, and the wedge break is there. So that looks like it's going to be around that level there. Yeah. So I'm looking for a move back down to 12.520 area, and then this level needs to hold. So this zone that we've got here needs to hold. If that can hold, then we are definitely in for that second move to the upside. What I do want to do though is I just want to double check those two levels to see if they'd line up with anything that can give me a little bit more confidence. And nothing close. And nothing close. Okay, there is quite a bit of, you can see here, there's quite a bit of buying attempts in the past here, and then they were selling off the level. And there is sort of quite a bit happening here. Okay, you can see all these tails in this zone. So there's been a lot of buying off here, and there's also been a lot of selling off this level. So they're putting all that together. I think it's a break above a major level, pull back onto it, forming a wedge, and I'm definitely looking for longs to the upside. If this level gives, if 12, 5 of 10 gives, then I would suspect that the gap is the next level. I'm not looking for shorts, really not looking to short this market at the moment. Trend is up on the lower time frames at the moment, and even on the hour the trend is up still. I'm looking to stay with the trend, which trend is up. I'm looking to trade to the upside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Before we close, let's just have a quick look. DAX futures at the moment is flat, 12,542. US was slightly up. China is up again today. Nikkei is flat. And the Euro USD, not much change either. Okay, so anyway, that's my view for the DAX at the moment. I do expect this trend to continue. Okay, and I am expecting this to be a wedge. So I'm looking for another move to the upside, and that's basically what I'll be looking for. So the nice thing about this is you can probably get away with a 50-point stop loss for a 200-point trade. Okay, so anyway, that's my view on the DAX. I hope that helps you, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.